over row. The biggest thing here is that the bar starts on the ground on every rep, or it goes back to the ground on every rep. So instead of letting it hang and doing bent over rows like that, you're going from the ground, picking it up. You're using a little bit more of your hips and legs for this instead of just your back and arm muscles. So that's okay. Pull it up, let it go back down to the ground on each one. Make sure your back is flat.